Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aiman Afiqah binti Ahmad and my matric number is 05652. In Empelzif technique, we have LZ77, LZ78 and LZW. LZ77 also known as LZ1 and sliding window technique. Comparison between LZ77 and LZ78. LZ77 works on past data while LZ78 works on future data. LZ77 is more slower than LZ78. Output for LZ77 is OIC, but output for LZ78 is IC. Both of them are open source. The application use of LZ77 is zip and PDF, while the LZ78 is used in the field of information theory such as a random number. And lastly, both of them can write program in C++. Here is the detail more about the algorithm. In the LZ77 algorithm, compression is attained once the repeated occurrence of data is replaced with the reference to a single copy of data contained in the input, which is uncompressed data stream. A match is encoded by a pair of numbers called a length-distance pair, which is equivalent to the statement each of the next line character is equal to the exact distance characters behind it in the uncompressed stream. The distance is sometimes called the offset instead. The last 2 kilobyte, 4 kilobyte or 32 kilobyte or the most recent data are tracked by the encoder to identify any match. The data is stored in a structure called sliding window, giving the name sliding window compression to LZ77. The data will be used by the encoder to find the match and for the decoder. It is used to interpret the referred match. A bigger sliding window means the encoder needs to search longer to create references. It is widely accepted and frequently beneficial to permit length-distance pairs to indicate a length that exceeds the distance. It is puzzling when a copy command go back 4 characters and copy 10 characters from that position into the current position. It's baffling to copy 10 characters with only 4 available in the buffer. This request can be tackled 1 byte per time. As the byte is copied over, it may be fed up again as input to the copy command. When the copy from position made it to the initial destination position, it is consequently fed data that was passed from the beginning of the copy from position. The operation is thus equivalent to the statement copy the data you were given and repetitively paste it until it fits. As this type of pair repeats a single copy of data multiple times, it can be used to incorporate a flexible and easy form run length encoding. A Z78 algorithm achieves compression by replacing repeated occurrence of the data with references to a dictionary that is built based on the input data stream. Each dictionary entry is of the form dictionary, which is index character, where index is the index to a previous dictionary entry, and character is appended to the string represented by the dictionary. LZW is actually an LZ78 based algorithm that utilizes as pre-initialized dictionary with all possible character symbols, or pre-initialized dictionary emulation. The vital improvement of LZW is in the case where a match is not found. The present input stream character is taken as the first character for the existing string, given the dictionary is already initialized with all possible characters, making the last matching as output, which may be the pre-initialized dictionary index corresponding to the previous or the initial input character.